Hey everybody, I'm on Jack's Fork River today with Daniel. We're floating from Alley Spring to Eminence. We're fishing, cleaning up all the trash we can find, and of course looking for lost valuables. So stick with us, we'll see what all we can find, and we're gonna have some fun. First find for the day, sunglasses, Foster Grant. And I believe they are polarized. If you're wondering how to tell if your glasses are polarized, actually it's not picking up too well. Look at the reflection on the water. As I turn these, that reflection goes away. So it cuts back on the glare off the top of the water. These are engineered for fishing glasses, but they're useful for a lot of other stuff as well. So I like polarized glasses. Since I've bought my first pair, I've never paid money for a pair of sunglasses that are not polarized. I can see something. I'm walking the river. I see something pink down here. Let's go take a look, see what it is. I want to guess vape or lighter. What do you think? Literally, somebody lost Mary. Unopened. Yeah, I'll be drinking that later. Found an unopened Pepsi in the water. It's good and cool. I got the top rinsed off, and to be honest with you, I'm thirsty. A little bit of a fizz. Cheers. Tastes good, not bad. So, we got some people coming up ahead. I'm gonna let you go for now. It's 3 beach towels today. Get them cleaned up. How many of them do you want? There's a couple flukes there. White flukes. I got I'll put it up here in front of mine. Anybody want a diving mask? Would you like a diving mask? I just pulled it out of the water.
It's free?
It's free.
For real?
I want it.
Yeah.
All right.
Y'all make fun of me for being child size. Here I go.
It was well after dark before I got home from my float trip, so I didn't do a wrap-up video last night. Had a lot of fun. I didn't do a whole lot of fishing. That's more Daniel's thing. I did a lot of snorkeling, however, and cleaned up quite a bit of trash. That river is usually pretty trashy, and it wasn't as bad this time as I have seen it. Let me show you what I found. I started with one of these Conservation Department bags, and I picked up 5 more, so ended up with 6. 4 of them were completely full. 2 of them were only partially full when I left. I ended up with 4 towels, and I'm going to see if I can't get these cleaned up and maybe give them to the Goodwill. We had a gospel mission in town, but it's closed now. Pair of shorts, a t-shirt. The shorts and the t-shirt are both in pretty bad shape. That probably was a nice hat in its day. I doubt I can do anything with it. The bandana, I'll see if I can clean it up and donate it. Found a broken kayak paddle blade. That's a second I found this year that I did not break. This is a patch off the side of a raft, I believe, and I don't know what kind of glue they had it on there with, but apparently it failed. Might be able to add that onto something else, I don't know, we'll see. I found 3 pairs of sunglasses and a pair of eyeglasses. I had a pair of Berkeley's. I can't find them. I might have lost them again. I think this is a snorkel from a full face mask, maybe. It does have a GoPro mount on it, which is neat, but I don't have a use for this. I don't have anything that it'll fit. I believe this is a cover to hold your stuff in on the front or the back of a kayak. It doesn't fit mine. I found a lighter that does not work. It's been in there a while. The rust is crusted up pretty thick. The button won't push. This is, I think, a butternut. I have yet to see a butternut tree, but I always find the butternuts in the rivers. I found 4 vapes. Find of the day's got to be an Apple Watch. This underwater has a bit of a halo around the edge of the face, which might be an indication that it's been in the water for a while. It wasn't really slimy when I pulled it out. I am going to put it in my rice box and let it sit for a couple weeks. Then I'll see if it'll power on. It looks like it's had a rough life. And I picked up the coolest piece of driftwood. Look at all the rocks embedded in this old tree root. I think that'd look good in the wife's flower beds. What do you think? After sorting through everything, I've got about a 5-gallon bucket of trash that I'm not going to recycle or try to reclaim or try to return. It is going to the landfill. Okay, we've got the Apple Watch out of the rice, and it's time for the moment of truth. It's charging up. All right. We'll give it a few minutes, and then we'll see if it comes on and if I can find any information to track down the owner. Okay, it's been on a charger for a couple hours now. It is active. It is locked. Should have the emergency information on here, looks like. There it is, SOS emergency. That's not... Okay, there's no way to get any information off this to contact a relative of who lost it or anything. So this one is no good, I guess.